All right, guys. So we officially started another challenge account today. So I set aside about $1,000 in the main account that I'm gonna try to flip it, right? So great start to it. We got 211% on our QQQ calls. I'm gonna walk you all through exactly what I took. So here I have pre-market highs. We'll zoom in a little bit. We had pre-market lows right here. And when price opened, we took out sell side liquidity. We reversed back up. And a lot of y'all would say, enter on an inverse, try to target this top side pre-market. Sure, I agree with you. However, I'm really scared of these candles right now, and the FVGs that were created on these were just huge. So I didn't want to get caught in a retest or something foolish and just lose 40% of a contract. So what I did was wait for a strong close above the pre-market high on the 1 minute, which we got, and I wanted price to retrace back to an FVG, some sort of FVG in here, and show a strong wick off it. So we got a nice little wick right here, and I decided to take a small try at it, sized pretty light in the grand scheme of things. I guess you could say heavy on a challenge count, but entry right here, stop loss right below this FVG. And original plan was I'm going to take my profit right here at the most recent highs, which would give me a nice 40% with how these prices are moving. If you can see, that's 414 all the way up to 418. So we got a great move up and thought about selling my contract right here when this candle gave me some bearish rejection, but held through it, and we got blessed with insane volume and shot right past this take profit and ended up I was shooting for this level right here, which was our gap fill, the bottom of the gap fill. I didn't want to get greedy, and I had to take profit right here when this candle closed. That's the only time I got to sell. It's moving too quick. But here's another thing I'll show you guys, because this thing ran for another 100% or so, 200%. You could have gotten 500% gain if you played that break of structure right there. A lot of people will say that they feel left out because they didn't get in on this initial pump. Here's something to know. With your break of structure, when you get high volume like that and price reverses back into it, you can play off this break of structure and fair value gap all day. You get a nice wick right here. You enter right here. You take your profits wherever you want. You get your 300% gain just like that.